So we're going to show you the proper way to take measurements on your pre-roll so that we can get the right numbers in order for us to make your tray. And that's important just because when these pre-rolls are going to be fitting snug in that tray and getting infused, we don't want them to be deformed or damaged. So we're going to be taking 4 different measurements using this caliper tool. We're going to be taking a measurement of the diameter of the end here, the diameter where the crutch meets the flower, the diameter of the end of the crutch, and then the overall length of the pre-roll. And we ask that you do anywhere from 25 to 30 pre-rolls so that we can account for different strains, beginning of the trim batch versus end of the trim batch, things like that. The trick with this caliper is to basically measure this diameter so that you can spin it in here and it's just barely touching. That's going to give you the best accurate read. So, for example, this diameter would be 10.25 millimeters. And then you're going to do the same thing for the part right there. So that'd be 7.14. And then again on the crutch. See, now that one was a little harder to spin, so I'm going to loosen it just ever so slightly. Because again, you want to be barely touching when we're spinning. So it's 5.41. These calipers are pretty sensitive, but yet relatively inexpensive. Our overall thing is we want to get the overall length without crushing the pre-roll, but also not accounting for any loose paper on top. Again, if someone's taking measurements where they are squeezing or making it so that you can't turn around, again, if you can hold the pre-roll with the caliper, you're doing it wrong. That will make it so these won't fit into the trays and basically will delay your time in getting up and running.